Alright, this is going to be the elevator in the main building here at the Ramada in Kissimmee, Florida.
US81. I love
We got a Delta elevator. You can actually look up the shaft. Very beat up. Let's go to 3. See, it's a Delta elevator, just like the Old McDonald's in Orlando.
Yep.
Here we go. On 3.
I love these fixtures.
Dewhurst US81.
Yep.
We'll take one more ride on this one. Although there is one more elevator in this building that's identical. Also check that one out. Here's a view of the cab. There's Riley here.
Hey, Julian.
It's a very beat up and well used cab, but I'm glad we still have one of these.
Yep.
These have gotten to be, they're
Hasn't
very
been
rare.
inspected in a while.
Hasn't been inspected in a while, yeah.
Our favorite airliners, Delta.
Yeah. Delta's a good airline.
These were probably made in Canada.
Okay, phone. Here we go. Here on 3. Watch the button go out. Do you want to switch up here? Because we can walk to the other elevator here.
Hey, it's the same door track as that other.
GL interlock.
I think that was the Red Lion.
Yeah, there's your coal station. And it's going to close anyway. But there it goes. Let's walk over to the other car.
Sounds like a Dover traditional.
Yeah.
When were these installed?
Probably in the 80s, but I don't know the exact date.
Because the world's largest entertainment McDonald's or some 76.
Yeah, but I don't know if the elevator from there's original.
Yeah.
I don't think it is anyway. It could be, but I don't think it is.
I actually love how they press.
Yeah, same.
They feel like Dover early traditional.
I know we're pretty close. There's vending there. I believe it's over here.
No, it's like behind those caves.
Right there's the other building, which that has Dover Impulse. Smells like smoke up here.
I know.
This definitely doesn't look like a particularly nice hotel. I mean, it looks kind of decent, but like, that smell definitely isn't ever good. Anyways, here it is.
Here we go. Delta United American.
Southwest.
Uh-huh. Alaska.
The brails look kind of like what you'd see on a general elevator.
Uh-huh. I love these fixtures.
Here we go. Ooh, this one looks
door
even
track.
worse than the other one. Going down. Ooh,
It smells like smoke up here.
kind of does a little bit. This one's brighter than the other one. We'll take a ride up on this one to hear the motor. Or maybe not. I don't know. This thing does not sound good.
Has not been inspected in a while. This
Yeah.
one has recently.
You know what? I think we can probably take a ride on it, but it definitely doesn't sound good. It would sure make for an entertaining video if we got stuck, but hopefully that doesn't happen. Alright, anyways, here we go. Listen. It actually doesn't sound too bad going up, it's just low on oil. Well, actually, no, not low on oil, it's just going down, it doesn't sound
Probably
good.
the guiderails or the wheels are squeezing too hard.
Yeah. It's farting.
I know.
Takes forever to level.
I know.
There's your sensor. There's your call button. And there it goes. That's gonna be it.